ukusho ukuthi njengondunankulu wesilo isilo besingakasho lutho kimi mayelana nokuthi siyangikhulula kulesi sikhundla sokuba undunankulu kaZulu. Nami ngicoshe nje einkundleni zokuxhumana ngathunyelelwa umlayezo weWhatsApp umntwana kwaminya, kodwa isilo sona qobo lwaso asikaze sisho lutho kimi. Njalo uma isilo ukusho ukuthi njengondunankulu wesilo isilo besingakasho lutho kimi mayelana nokuthi siyangikhulula kulesi sikhundla sokuba undunankulu kaZulu. Nami ngicoshe nje einkundleni zokuxhumana ngathunyelelwa umlayezo weWhatsApp umntwana kwaminya, kodwa isilo sona qobo lwaso asikaze sisho lutho kimi. Njalo uma isilo sifisa ukudlulisa umlayezo siyangibiza lapho esikhona sikwazi ukudlulisa lowo mlayezo. Ngakho-ke isikhundla sobundunankulu isikhundla sesilo. Uma isilo sibona ukuthi siyangikhulula, uma ngempela kuyiso esibhalela incwadi engiyibona einkundleni zokuxhumana, okwami ukubonga, ngibonge ithuba ekunikwe isilo sokuthi ngikhonze ngaphansi kwaso njengondunankulu waso, ngiphinde ngiyinikele kabusha ukuthi ngiyohlezi ngikhonza ngaphansi kwesilo indlulamithi yamakhosi noma ngingasekho kulesi sikhundla. Akaze kube khona ngxabano phakathi kwami nesilo. Akho ngisho ichashaza elilodwa kulezi inyanga eziyi-11 isilo sangimemezela esandlwana lapho esiveze khona ungenami kwaso. Kuyo yonke imisebenzi yesizwe isilo asikaze singisole nako kodwa. Ingakho kube indida uma umuntu esebona lezi incwadi einkundleni zokuxhumana isilo singaze sisho lutho kimi. Okukhathaza kakhulu ukuvela futhi kaMnumzana uJacob Mnisi owayekade lokhu elunguza emhlabeni kaZulu noMiss Rejoice Tembe owaziwa njengogogo ngoba beconsela umhlaba ongaphansi kwengonyama trust. Sizwile ukuthi sekhona nabameli baseMpumalanga province okuthiwa uRakwena attorneys abathi yibo abalawula ingonyama trust, namakhosi awazi lutho ngalokho. Ngakho kukho konke okwenzekile ngiyafisa ukuthi ngicizelele nabantu bonke baseNingizimu Afrika bazi ukuthi lesi sikhundla sesilo singafaka noma ubani ngesikhathi esifisa ngaso, sikhiphe noma ubani. Okwami ukuthi ngiyisikhonzi sesilo ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiyokwenza lokho okuzifiso zesilo. Ngisibonga kakhulu isilo ukuthi singinikelela ithuba, futhi sengathi ukubusa kwesilo kungakhula nesilo sikhule sibe ngangey'ntaba zaso undi nokhahlamba. Ngiyofisa ke ukuthi sikhombise inhlonipho efanele thina besilisa abakhona ngokuthi sisukume sikhuleke esilweni indlulamithi yamakhosi. Wena wendlovu, and I serve at the King's pleasure. From the 15th of December, His Majesty has been in isolation preparing for the first fruits ceremony, umkhosi woselwa, which will take place on the 15th of January next year. I will wait until His Majesty the King informs me about said anything to me. If the king has decided that I should step down from my position all I can do is to express my gratitude to His Majesty for the honor to serve him and the Zulu nation. I have served the King from the first day that he assumed his position as King of the Zulu nation, and will continue to serve him. And I will serve His Majesty as an ordinary subject if it is his wish that he releases me from being Prime Minister. There is no quarrel that has ever transpired between His Majesty and myself. Not once in the past 11 months has His Majesty expressed his displeasure or voiced his disapproval of any action that I have taken or any statement that I have made in my capacity as Prime Minister. Not once. And therefore I reiterate that I am a loyal subject of the King, and the King's wish is my command. However, the re-emergence of Mr. Jacob Mnisi and Ms. Rejoice Tembe, popularly known as Ugogo, on the scene to control, in an attempt to control the Wengonyama Trust, is a cause for concern. I read in the media about the appointment of Mr. Stephen Rakwena of Van Rensburg, Kruger, Rakwena attorneys, who seems to have been appointed by His Majesty the King to regulate the affairs of Wengonyama Trust. His Majesty has not informed me about the appointment of these attorneys from Witbank, who suddenly claim to be governing the land of the Zulu people. Amakhosi, who administer the land under Wengonyama Trust, are also not aware of the role and mandate of these lawyers from Witbank. The presence of Mr. Jacob Mnisi and these lawyers from Mpumalanga province in the affairs of the Zulu kingdom does not augur well for the well-being and future of Wengonyama Trust. I thank His Majesty for affording me the opportunity to serve him and the Zulu nation, and may His Majesty's reign grow from strength to strength. Briefly in isiZulu,